Back in July, we reviewed the XSuit 3.0, and today I'm going to be reviewing their other suit option, the 2.0. I've also got some good news for those of you who are interested, so make sure you stay till the end for that. I'm Bill Sweet and welcome to the DadBod. This is the XSuit 2.1 from House of X. It's still referred to as the 2.0 on their website, but what you receive is the 2.1. They started off with a Kickstarter and an Indiegogo to take their original suit idea from prototype to manufacturing on a large scale. And it's safe to say they were successful. They wanted to raise $50,000 and they ended up raising $650,000. Funny thing with the original prototype, the 1.0, it came with a detachable hood. They did remove the hood in version 2 and 3 suits, and then, oddly enough, just a couple of weeks ago, they added it back for their newest suit, which is the XSuit Sport. I won't be doing a review of that one. It's not something that I would actually call a suit. It's like a suit and a sweatsuit had a baby. I did do a review of the 3.0 already. I'll put a link to that at the end of this video. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you watch it. And I'm going to be doing one more video for this brand showing the two suits side by side because I feel like both suits are nice and some of you might be better with the 2.1 and some of you might be better with the 3.0. So hopefully that video will help you decide which one is best for you. Scene Suits has a decent suit that's kind of similar to this, but I feel like the House of X did it a little bit better. Scene is made to measure, so it can be made larger to fit people that are a little bit bigger than me, but again, I like the X suit better. Specifically, this one, the 2.1, is my favorite of the two, but who knows, yours could be the 3.0. I've put a link to their website in the description for this video, which is going to include the DadBod code to hook you up with the current promotions that are available. It's a super long website link, so I shortened it using Bitly to make it fit in the video description for YouTube. You guys support me by watching these videos, so I try to support you back with discounts when they're available. This is their website. You'll notice that as of right now, you can only get the version 2 and the newest sports suit. The 3.0 isn't showing because it's on back order. It's been on back order for a couple of months now, and from what I can tell, the website says that it should be back in stock at some point around the end of this month, which is September. This suit is available in black, navy blue, charcoal, and gray. I got it in black to make sure that my comparison of the two suits is as close as I can make them. Plus, who doesn't love a good black suit? The jacket is available in sizes from 34 to 52. Me, I normally get a 50 long or a 52 long when I buy a suit jacket. For this, I got a 52. It fits, but just barely. They do run a little bit slim. They don't offer long sizes, but it's not a big deal because the sleeves fit me just fine. If you normally wear a jacket size 52 or higher, you're probably going to need to look elsewhere for a suit. I doubt this is going to work for you. If you normally wear a 50 or smaller, you should be good with this. And since it's got some stretch in it, you're going to be able to do more in this suit than you can in a normal suit. So I went to the bookstore last weekend. They had a book at the counter, you know, for the impulse buyers. You think you got everything, and then bam, you get to the checkout counter and they've got something that you didn't even know you needed. Anyways, the book was called How to Solve 50% of Your Problems. So I bought two because I'm a problem solver. Aside from the color choices, there really isn't any customization options available. It is what it is. It comes with notch lapels, single-breasted with a single button. It has 3 outside pockets on the jacket, which comes sewn closed, which is normal for the majority of suits that you're going to get online. It's a light stitching, so you can usually just pull it apart carefully, or you can use a pocket knife. Tailor shops will also open them up for you, sometimes for free, sometimes for like $5. The suit has 4 buttons on each sleeve and a single vent in the back. Inside, you've got a pocket on each side, both of them secure with a zipper to make it harder for pickpockets to get your stuff. So on the surface, it looks just like a normal suit jacket, but it's not. The fabric is very soft. It's way softer than wool, and it's stretchy. It's got what they call a 6-way stretch to give you a range of motion that you don't normally get while wearing a suit. The fabric is wrinkle resistant, which means that you can pack it in your luggage, take it with you instead of needing to put this in a garment bag and then getting the dry cleaning bills afterwards. It's stain and liquid repellent material, which is going to be a lifesaver. There's been more than one occasion where I was out to eat with some coworkers or just in the break room at work where I brushed up against a counter or sat in a seat where somebody had spilled something. With most suits, you need to spend a half hour trying to clean it up just so that way you can make it through the rest of your day. Then you still have to take it to the dry cleaners. This suit repels those things so you can just wipe it off easily with a paper towel and then go about the rest of your day. It is dry clean only, but because of the stain and liquid repellent plus the odor repellent, you don't need to take it to the cleaners as often, which is going to save you money. Now, one of the reasons why I love this version, the 2.1, is because it's constructed. It's got shoulder pads and it's got a suit canvas, which brings up the formality of the suit a bit, and it makes me and you look super sharp while wearing it. As I said, there are 3 outside pockets, 1 on each side, and then the breast pocket, plus there are 2 inside pockets with a zipper to help prevent pickpocketing or just to prevent things from falling out or getting lost. The trousers secure with 2 buttons and a zipper. You will need to get the trousers hemmed at your local tailor, and they do offer a credit on your future purchases with the receipt from the tailor. That way you can get it to your style, whether it's full break, half break, or no break. For me, I prefer the no break or half break. The trousers have belt loops, a flat front, and just like the jacket, it's water, stain, and odor repellent to let you wear it easier, more often, and with less worry about spilling anything. And similar to the jacket, it's super soft fabric that's super stretchy to give you that greater range of motion. If you're at a wedding, you don't want to have to worry about splitting your pants while on the dance floor. These have the stretch to relieve you of that worry and let you bust out even better dance moves. So, there you are. That's the 2.1, which again still shows as the 2.0 version on the website as of the making of this video. Now that I have both of these suits, I'm going to start working on the side-by-side comparison video, which is going to help you find out which one is best for you and your needs. Make sure you're subscribed, that way you don't miss out on that video. And in case you missed it, here's a review of the 3.0 suit for your viewing pleasure, and I'll see you there.